let it out. In the middle it's good, I think. So when I'm away, we can start the next. And the next.
Yeah. When you're away, then we go all together.
It's the same.
Yep.
When the next is away, we can start.
Bye bye. So, who's next?
Ja, ja.
Speed down!
Okay.
But I think already there is fine. Okay. Yeah, looks good. Rainer.
Okay. Can I go? Ja, det er ganske bratt. Ut! Hei! Oi! Der løsnet et bra et, ja. Ok, det var en utløsning, men jeg klarte å kjøre fra det.
You escaped it or?
Huh?
Who escaped from it?
Me.
You?
Yeah. I released it and
That was a pretty heavy warm-up, huh?
I was sort of thinking, maybe I shouldn't go this far.
Always straight.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah.
No turn.
No turn, yeah. But it was easy to get away from it, really.
Yeah, it's easy here.
Yeah.
When it's avalanche, it's no risk.
Yeah.
It's a small one.
Mm.
So, because there we can ski there.
Yeah. It's just very slow.
Yeah, it's very slow.
Yeah. Okay. Ja, det var jeg som